Hello everybody, welcome to another hot girl video, guys. On this channel, guys, we do a lot of affordability, affordable clothing, affordable reviews. We also do a lot of advice, reviews, tips, all of that good jazz. Once I am able to put my hands on something, I'm going to put you onto it as well. So in today's video, guys, I do have a plug for y'all. I do have some tea, some hot piping tea, and I believe that this video is going to help people who do not have a credit card, or even if you have a credit card but you want a debit card. So a couple weeks ago, guys, a subscriber reached out to me and she was like, please do a video on like how to order stuff and so on. And on my channel here, guys, I do have part 1 and part 2 on how to do online shopping or how to start to purchase online. I'm not an expert in debit, credit, finance and all of those stuff, but there is a YouTuber from Trinidad. You can watch her videos for further information on cards and banks and all those stuff. She does a really good job at that. But y'all, I was able to locate a place that is giving out debit Visa card. Woo! As we all know, once you are living in Trinidad, you know that they phased out debit cards. Republic Bank is not giving it out anymore. First Citizens banks, none of the banks are giving out debit cards at this point in time due to the shortage in US.
Shortage in US.
Unfortunately, guys, everyone is not eligible for a credit card. Everyone is not the age for a credit card, and you are only qualified for a credit card if you have a good job. Well, a job, not really a good job. If you have a good job, you get a higher credit card. But once you have a job and you are able to show that you can pay it back and you are qualified for it, you will receive your credit card. So in order to make purchases online, to start your business, to do anything online, you need to have a card where you can process the payment, and that is a Visa card or a credit card. A Visa debit card, guys, is a card that you can use both locally and internationally once you put money onto the card. A Visa credit card is a card that the bank puts the money on the card, you pay it back, and it goes. Guys, I was able to get a debit Visa card from Jmmb, and the appointments there are really long. They do have a branch in South Park. I'm not sure about the other places, but you can Google it. Jmmb do have outlets for loans, and they do have outlets for opening an account and all of those stuff. The one at South Park, they are the bank where you can actually do all your banking stuff and so on, and you can just go in there and make an appointment. Guys, the lines are really long, the appointments are really far, but this is definitely worth it. I waited an entire month for my appointment, and then I went on and put my friends onto it, and my brother and my sister, and they also waited the same month period. But it's definitely worth it. I am naturally someone who takes these things very seriously. Like, I would help you get your license, your ID card, your bank going, like all those stuff. You need to listen. You need to be a good boss. You need to have these things. You all need to definitely go and contact Jmmb. I'm not sure how the phone lines go, but I highly suggest that if you are not getting through online, walk in and make an appointment. There's always a receptionist by the desk, by the door. She will take your appointment. Your appointment may be a little far, but it's definitely worth it because you are going to get your Visa debit card. The only thing is, guys, the limit for the Visa debit card to shop internationally is 200 US. Yes, I know that's a limit down there, because you may see stuff that you want for 400 US or 500 US, but 200 US a month is really good still, like, because you don't have no card right now. So if you get in a card and you can spend 100 US, it's still good to go. Okay, so 200 a month is the limit. But my brother and they went last week, and he said that the bill told him was 250. So I'm not sure if they increased it to 50 a month, but the 200 is definitely worth it. That's like how much? That's like 1400 TT. That's not bad. So before I go quickly, guys, I'm going to run through the checklist for individual account opening with everything that you need to have on it, so you can screenshot it for the persons who really need that help, because a girl is here to help you all once you get the tea, and once it's affordable and once it can make your life better. I am here for it. Like, I am here for it. You want to subscribe also because I listen. I really do be giving you all the good tea. People who are trying to climb their way up to the top. Because that's what we are about. We are not about settling. We are not about staying at the same level. We are climbing our way all the way to the top. So number one, you need one valid form of identification. That is your national ID or your passport. Or you can work with your license. But if you are working with your license, you need to have a birth certificate. You need one utility bill statement. And that's just any light bill, flow bill, cable, whatever you have, phone bill. However, if your utility bill is not on your name, most of us who are living with our parents, it's not on our name, you just have to write an authorization letter and let your parents sign it. Mine usually is pretty simple. My name is so-and-so, I am authorizing my daughter so-and-so to use this address so-and-so to open a savings account. Full stop. Signed by your parents. Number 3, you need a job letter, or you can use a pay slip or your company stamp with your payslip. So if you have your own business or whatever and your business is registered, you are going to use your stamp on your payslip that you use for your own business and give it to them. A minimum balance of 400 TT and $150 to do the card. Okay, so in total, guys, I think my sister and they went with $400, and I think they took out the $150 from that for the card, and you get the card one time. I think I'm saying her name correct. I did look at her videos on Jmmb and all of that, and she does a really good job with that, as I mentioned, and that is what pushed me to go to Jmmb and get a card for like online shopping and for PayPal and all these things. It really is good. You can use Visa Debit card to purchase stuff locally and internationally. And also, if you do get paid via PayPal, you can move the money from PayPal to Jmmb Visa card. It's the only card that can do this from listening to the young lady's channel. And I was like, you know what, I have to get it. I also did extensive research and saw that people were saying that the cards were not being issued because they didn't have any more and all that. But I'm here to tell you all that they got back. They got back. Like, I did my account a couple months ago. This is not recent. My brother and they recently did theirs, and they got a card. Okay, so gather your pills and go and open your account and get a Visa Debit card to start a business or to do whatever it is you want to do to better your life. Okay, so guys, I really hope this was helpful for you, and comment down below, give me a fat thumbs up on this video, and yes, so do take care of yourself, guys, and I'll definitely see you guys in my other video. Bye, people.